Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS exam. First, understand the test format, which includes 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You should also know the difference between the academic and general training modules to select the right one for your needs. Setting realistic goals for your desired band score is crucial, so create a structured study plan. Finally, make sure to use official IELTS preparation materials and practice tests to get a feel for the real exam. For the listening section, practice active listening with various English accents and try to predict answers before the audio begins. Focus on keywords and essential details, as the test often includes extra information. In the reading section, master skimming to get the main idea and scanning to find specific details quickly. Time management is key here. Aim to spend about 20 minutes on each of the 3 passages to ensure you complete all 40 questions. When preparing for the speaking test, practice discussing familiar topics and always expand your answers, avoiding simple one-word replies. Organize your thoughts logically and use a wide range of vocabulary and grammar. For the writing section, always plan your response by outlining your ideas before you start. Structure your essays with clear paragraphs and ensure your language is formal. Remember to meet the minimum word counts of 150 words for Task 1 and 250 words for Task 2, and check for grammatical accuracy. To truly prepare, take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to get a realistic feel for the exam. After each practice test, meticulously review your answers to identify areas for improvement and refine your strategies. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Finally, leverage official IELTS websites and apps, like those from the British Council or IDP, for a wealth of free practice materials and expert advice to boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.